It's been 8 months since my initial review of the Atomberg Intellon RO water purifier, and I wanted to share some long-term thoughts. Now, there are three main reasons why I switched to the Atomberg then. So today, let's see if this Atomberg purifier has maintained its promise for all three. This video is made in collaboration with Atomberg, but like always, opinions are my own. The first problem was flat output water. Now, because I get a mixed water source at my home in Bangalore, the input water keeps fluctuating from 300 to almost 700 based on what the source is on that particular day. So when I used other water purifiers, because RO water purifiers reduce the TDS of water by 90%, the output water TDS would go really low to below 50 on days that the source water of the TDS was below 500. For reference, 50 to 150 ppm is the most palatable water TDS range. This is where the Atomberg Intellon really shines in my opinion, with its adaptive filtration. When the water purifier is set in this mode, the TDS sensor within the water purifier continuously monitors the input water TDS. And if the input water TDS is low, say below 250 ppm, it skips the RO filtration altogether and only uses UV and UF filtration, which is adequate for TDS below 250 ppm. But when the TDS of the input water goes up, the water goes through RO and UV filtration. With this, the water purifier is able to maintain the output water quality automatically. As per Atomberg, it cross-references your location with government groundwater report data. And if your region is an area flagged for heavy metals, RO plus UV is enforced, even if your input water TDS is low. And what's more, we can also set the output water TDS to be in the palatable range of 50 to 150 ppm with the taste tune mode, in which case water tastes similar to packaged water like distillery. While you cannot fix it to a specific number, the output water will be within the range that we pick. So how does this really work? It mixes RO purified water with UF purified water along with other essential filtration stages to adjust the TDS. So you're getting 100% purified water, not a mix of unfiltered water. Now, the second problem is a high annual AMC. Any user of RO water purifier has gone through this. A high AMC cost of 5 to 7,000 every year and repeated calls from RO service providers for service or filter replacement. Luckily for us, this is changing. With the Atomberg Intellon, filter replacement are usage based. Filter life is 12,000 liters of usage and there is zero AMC. So, no annoying phone calls, no AMC pressure. Everything including servicing, parts, electrical and any filter replacement during the 2-year warranty is covered. Its filters have been tested for a life of 12,000 liters in a TDS of 1500 ppm. After 2 years, there is another benefit. We don't need to pay for all the filters. We only need to pay for the filters that do need replacement. So say for example, you use the adaptive mode and your water quality is such that RO is used only 25% of the time. You do not need to change your RO membranes after 2 years. You can see the filter life on the app, which shows exactly which filters need to be changed, and after the change, every part comes with 2-year warranty. Now, Atomberg is also transparent about the filter cost of each of these filters. We can view it on their website. If we need to change everything, then the cost is about 4,000 rupees to be paid once in 2 years, because every replaced part comes with a fresh 2-year warranty. Over a period of 8 years, this is tangible savings of 24,000 in maintenance alone. Now, third problem is excessive water wastage. The way RO water purifiers work, 3 liters of water is wasted for every liter of usable water purified. So, if an average household uses 16 liters of water for drinking and cooking, close to 50 liters of water is wasted, 1,500 liters of water is wasted every month, and 18,000 liters of water is wasted every year. Now, given the situation of water currently, this is criminal. With the Atomberg Intellon water purifier, in municipal water conditions or low TDS water, that is TDS below 300, it uses UF plus UV purification and there is zero water wasted. When RO is used either in the RO mode or in the adaptive filtration mode, it wastes only 1 liter of water for every liter purified. If you use the adaptive filtration mode, then water is wasted only when RO purification is used. So if the water quality is such that RO is used only 25% of the time, then almost 13,500 liters of water is saved annually. This adaptive filtration not only saves water, it also extends the RO life significantly. significantly. Now let's talk about some smart features. The Intellon is a smart water purifier. On the Atomberg app, we can monitor a water quality in real time. We can see the input water TDS, output water TDS, tank health, filter health for each individual filter, error codes, and diagnostics. We can also adjust the current filtration mode and toggle amongst the various filtration modes that are available. First is the adaptive flow mode, which we already spoke about, which auto selects the purification method based on your input water TDS. Second is the RO plus UV mode, which we must use for TDS above 500 ppm. The taste tune mode lets you set your preferred TDS level. And the vacation mode, which auto cleans filters when the water purifier is idle to enhance the life of the filters. So in summary, the features that I like a lot are: 1. The adaptive filtration mode, which genuinely saves water and extends the life while keeping the water quality at the optimum level. It is best for a mixed water source. Second is the minimum 2-year filter life plus per filter pricing helps us to reduce long-term costs. Third is the visibility into water quality and the filter health on the Atomberg app itself. If there was one thing I would like from Atomberg, is a smaller form factor of this purifier that can then fit into my cabinet with ease. If this sounds interesting to you, you can check out the current price of the Atomberg Intellon from the product linked below. If you found the video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.